Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. And your girl man, Debbie from down a yard. Did you all miss me? I haven't been on camera in a few days. But in Jamaica we would say, "Hold on along for see me." Means the same thing as, did you all miss me? For you don't understand the patois. But all of you who know the patois, hold on along for see me. Along for so no. Okay, now today I'm just going to demonstrate for you all how to get a perfect. I have either 2 or 3 subscribers that have been asking more than one times what I used to make my baked chicken sauce. So I want to demonstrate to you how you can make a nice, decent baked chicken sauce right from inside your kitchen. Nice, you know, succulent, everything like that. So we're going to get rolling, y'all. Now first and foremost, we're going to use some ketchup. But remember, family, you use some of these things we don't need to measure, as I all told you. Yes, we do need some specific measurements in some things. But in making some baked chicken sauce, family, use it as you, because look here. It goes to the amount of sauce to the amount of chicken. So okay, you're going to do let's say you're going to do 4 pounds of chicken for your family. So what I'm doing here, or let us say 3 pounds, 3.5 to 4 pounds. And what I'm doing here is enough to dip the chicken, leave it to bake, and have enough leave to serve as excess gravy. So we're doing something here that can serve for about 3 to 3, and let us say 3 to 3.5 pounds of chicken. So use your judgment, family. If you are doing more chicken, you just do some additional ingredients. Okay? Simple common sense, family. Let's get rolling. Now we're gonna use some ketchup, which is gonna be the base of the jerk chicken sauce. You see it? You don't need any cornstarch because the ketchup is all cornstarch. Family, if you read the label, most of it are cornstarch and a tomato paste. But we can't do any better. So we're gonna use this bottle of ketchup, a size bottle like this. I think it says 800 grams right here. Alright, so we're gonna empty this right inside here. Okay? Alright, 800 grams, that size bottle. And I'm gonna put 2.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Don't use the white vinegar, family. Them don't have no flavor. Them are just for wipe down kitchen and stuff and something. So you can use some honey if you have, or if you don't have honey, you can use some brown sugar. I'm gonna use some brown sugar. If you have honey, you use honey. The honey gives it a more soft, you know, it's more milder. Okay, but I'm gonna use for you all 1, 2, 3 tablespoons, because you know baked chicken, you must have this like a sweety, tangy sweet, you know, tangy taste. Alright, we're gonna put in some soy sauce. If you want to use browning, feel free, but I prefer soy sauce. It's more lighter, it's more manageable. Right? Slap in some fish and meat sauce or some Worcestershire. About half a bottle of this, half of this bottle. If you're using Worcestershire, use a little less, because it's more stronger with flavor than the fish and meat sauce. So you slap in half a bottle of fish and meat sauce or a quarter bottle of Worcestershire sauce. Alright? You're going to slap in a little cayenne pepper for a little spice. If you love spice, you can use, if you love a lot of spice, you can use more. Slap in a little paprika. Few dashes of paprika. Okay. We have some melted butter here. Melt some stick butter. It gives you a better, it blends it together better. So we have some melted butter that has been sort of cooled. So we'll slap in some of that. When you slap in that, when your chicken is all finished baking, you have that glossiness to the top of it. So this is what will look like. Okay? So we have all of that, and we have it rolling, and we have it going. Now look at the color. If you want it dark, your bake sauce a little darker, you can go ahead and put in a little more darkening, which is the soy sauce or the browning. Now, I'm gonna grate in 3 pegs of garlic. If you have garlic powder, use a little. I'm using 3 pegs because I love garlic family, and the garlic, it tastes to the baked chicken beautiful. So I'm gonna grate in. If you don't like it, because when you grate the garlic, you get some little, you know, some little, the particles are in there, but I don't have a problem. But if you have a problem, slap in about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, where we are, this is where we're at now. So we're gonna incorporate, we're gonna give it a stir, a blend. So we have with ketchup, we have with apple cider, we have with soy, we have with fish and meat, we have with cayenne. Feel free to use any type of pepper. If you love spice, I tell you, you can use some additional pepper sauce, cut up some whatever. And we didn't use honey, we used brown sugar. Now we're gonna try to dissolve because we have the brown sugar in there and we need it to be dissolved. So we're stirring, we're giving it a little stir. Because guess what happened? We got a taste. Mercy. Family, me does a taste so. Now, this is what we get. Perfect. First and foremost, you have this. When you dip the chicken, you don't put any water in, no water. When you dip your chicken to this, it holds the chicken, it holds the sauce, holds to the chicken. You don't want it any more watery, right? And let us look at it. Probably we can take a little more ketchup, family. Maybe we can take a little more ketchup. Let's be on the right path. As it look like it could be a little, you know, a little more thicker to me. So the ketchup family is the base. And you can put a few dashes, maybe 2 of salt to bring it up. Because remember, you have already seasoned your chicken, you know. Your season has already been seasoned and it has a flavor. Okay. And remember, you season your chicken to your liking, but please to go low on the salt. So now, we had a little more ketchup. This is it. So you use it something like this. You see it? So when you dip your chicken in it, it holds to the chicken. We're going to taste again. It is so beautiful. Tangy. Nice. It just garlicky. Yeah. So this is how I do my baked chicken homemade sauce right from scratch. And remember, I'm going to pour it out for you all in here so you can see the color. So whatever color this has, this is the color your baked chicken is going to come with. And when you're through dipping and the rest that is left, here you can go now, add in a little water and leave it to boil. Then you can use it as gravy. After you dip your chicken, what is left, you can put a little water, put it on the stove or a little additional ketchup or whatever, and turn it to a meat and leave it to boil, and you use that as the additional gravy for people who love extra gravy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, your family, your co-workers, because I know a lot of you all out there would be grateful to hear of something. You know, you can just do this in your kitchen. And family, you can put any twist to this. If you want to have some barbecue taste, slap in some barbecue sauce, flavor of choice. Right there you have some barbecue taste in baked chicken. Yeah, man. From my kitchen to yours again, it's my way of making baked sauce from scratch inside my kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, love you all. And family, remember to turn on your notification that as soon as the videos are out, you will be the first to know. Yeah, man. Debbie from down a yard, love you. You know how I love you and will always love you. Boop.